Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable incoming call read caller names allowed in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, and then scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. Now here you will see a read caller names allowed button. So if you want to enable incoming call read caller names allowed, then turn on this button. And if you want to disable incoming call read caller names allowed, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable incoming call read caller names allowed in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.